Hey everyone, want to give your employees a bonus and make sure it's recorded correctly in QuickBooks? Today, I'm showing you how to write a bonus check in QuickBooks, step by step. First, open QuickBooks and sign into your account. Next, go to Banking. Write checks if you're using Desktop or Plus New. Check if you're on QuickBooks Online. Select the bank account you'll use to pay the bonus, or add the employee as the payee. Enter the bonus amount, and in the expense account field, select payroll expenses, bonus. You can also add a memo for your records, noting the purpose of the bonus. Once everything is filled out, click Print if you want a physical check, or Save and Close to record the bonus in QuickBooks. And that's it. Writing a bonus check in QuickBooks is simple and keeps your accounting accurate. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and make payroll easier than ever. Hey everyone, want to give your